So hello beautiful people, what you see here is banana wine. Yes, banana wine. So today I'm going to be sharing how I prepare this yummy and refreshing banana wine. Yes, so just watch the video to the end. I'm going to tell you my review on this banana wine. Yes, so you need your banana, of course. Yeah, so make sure you have a bowl with clean water and wash your banana because you are going to be drinking this at the end, so you want to make sure it's clean. Yeah, so make sure you wash your banana very well as you see me doing, and then peel it here and take any part from the banana that you think is not good. Yeah, take it off. Once you are done, then you're going to be rinsing the banana again here because you want to make this as clean as you can because you're going to be drinking this here. This is wine. Yes, so guys so after rinsing, you are going to get a bowl or a container that has a lid here because you are going to be fermenting this for 3 days. Yes, you got me right here. So you're going to be fermenting this here. So this is after rinsing. So this is the bottle I'm going to be using here. This one has a lid here. So break it into chunks as you see me doing and place everything into the jar. Yeah, once you are done, then you are going to add water. Yeah, so with this recipe, please make sure you have enough banana. Yes, so if you want to enjoy it, make sure you have enough banana in the house to do this. Yeah, because me, I didn't have enough banana. So to me, I would say I didn't enjoy it. Yeah, because it wasn't that nice, but it was good though. It was good. Yeah. So the next one I'm going to be making, I'll make sure I have enough banana. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, it's very, very nice. Yeah. So if you have banana, you don't know what to do with it, I will advise you to try this banana wine. It's very good. It was delicious. Yeah, I enjoyed it, but just that I didn't enjoy the sweetness of the banana because the banana wasn't enough. Yeah, that's the only thing. Yeah, so as you can see, I added my water. So make sure you add clean water because you're going to be drinking this. Yeah, so once you are done adding the water, you're going to cover it and then we are going to clean. Yeah, make sure you clean everywhere. Yeah, and then we are going to leave it for 3 days, yeah, for it to ferment. Yes, so yeah, as I said, leave it for 3 days, yeah, for it to ferment. So after 3 days, this is after 3 days, then we are going to check to see. Yeah, so guys, this is how it's looking. Yeah, so guys, don't worry about how it's looking because anything that you are fermenting, this is how it will look like. Yeah, all this wine that you drink, this is how it goes. Yeah, the fermenting process. Yeah, so this is how it's looking. So after this, make sure you have a cheesecloth. We are going to be straining the water here. So this cheesecloth is clean here, guys. Well, don't worry about the color because this is what I use to strain my things. Yeah, so it's clean here. So now after pouring it through the cheesecloth, you are going to squeeze and get the juice from the banana here. So make sure you hold it tight here so that the banana doesn't drop into the juice, or else you have to reduce the you have to do it again or repeat the process again, or you have to strain it again here. So as you see me doing, keep pressing. Guys, I'm down with flu or cold. Yeah, so don't worry about my voice. Yeah, I know my voice is not good, but I need to put a video out there. Yes, so guys, this is so keep pressing until you get most of the juice out. Yeah, guys, because you want to get some of the sweetness from the banana. Yes, so guys, as I said, make sure you have enough banana if you want to enjoy this. Yeah, because with me, I didn't enjoy it that much because the banana wasn't enough. Yeah, and I think I added too much water. Yes, so if you want to enjoy, make sure you have a lot of banana so that you can enjoy the sweetness. And if you feel like you can if you want it to ferment more, you can leave it for 5 days. Yeah, with mine, I don't want it to ferment that much. But if you want it to ferment more, leave it for 5 days. Yeah, 5 days. Yeah, so guys, this is how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking good. Yeah, so after, get something that your bottle, your cup, anything that you want to store it in, and then you pour it. This is what I'm going to be storing it in here. So once you are done, then you are going to start enjoying it. It's ready for us to enjoy. Yeah, so guys, I enjoyed it, but just that I didn't enjoy the sweetness of the banana because it wasn't the banana wasn't enough. Yeah, so if you want to enjoy it, make sure you have a lot of banana. Yeah, but guys, it was good. Yeah, I recommend this. Yeah, if you have banana, and if you're looking for a different juice recipe. I'll advise you to use this here. It's very good here. It's very simple and easy, and guys, I love it here. So don't forget to share, like, and comment, and also let me know in the comment section where you are watching me from. And also, as I said, let me know, have you tasted banana wine before? How was it? Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.